to our channel. Isaac and Siegfried.
And welcome back.
Yeah, you got that yummy, that yummy, that yummy, yummy. Yeah, you got.
We're gonna make a pizza. So there's our cheese, mozzarella cheese, pepperoni, and ordinary cheese. Crust. Heavy crust pizza. This for their merienda.
Papay mo.
This one.
Mepekoy.
What? What? Okay, you put. Go, stop. Mozzarella makes more stretch cheese. Okay, you put. Go. Our pepperoni. Our pizza is pepperoni pizza. Okay.
Puro like this.
Okay, done?
Don't eat it,
Oh, don't
bro.
eat it.
Bro, that's raw. Oh, don't eat
No,
it. Don't eat it.
It's not yet.
Ayak.
Okay, do it.
Yeah.
Oh, don't eat. Oh, that's raw. Oh, don't eat it. Don't eat it. Oh,
Ayak.
Yeah, boy.
Dura.
It's okay. Okay, it's okay. Okay, so we're gonna bake that, huh? Okay. And okay, guys. So here's our oven. It's air fryer. Pizza. Just put it there inside.
There we go.
It's gonna be good. Yeah, boo. After 5 minutes only.
The air.
Oh,
I think it's okay.
There's stuck in the air. I mean,
Okay. Hey,
oh.
what happened to the pepperoni? It's blown out there.
Gimme. A little onion fish.
Later.
Delicious. Okay.
No, bro.
Okay.
Bro, here.
Wing.
And we'll wait for ours.
And my
Will
should
not
be.
blow up the pepperoni. Cut it off. Tomato.
Oh, stop here. Everybody will touch it, bro. You cannot film. Oh. Oh. Look at this one, editing.
And my
Okay guys, so let's cut it. So you can taste. Cut it.
Oh.
Woo! Was like that.
Like that.
Yeah. Siegfried, you try yours. Bye guys.
That's it. Bye. Make sure to like and subscribe. Comment down below what do you want next. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys tomorrow later. Bye bye.